So this is IB Math Studies, and we're doing logic, and we're now looking at truth tables with the OR connective, or the disjunction. So we have two types of disjunctions, and we've previously looked at the inclusive disjunction, and this is then the exclusive disjunction. And the symbol is this V with a line under it. So the exclusive disjunction is where we have a statement or two statements. For example, you're allowed to bring water into this room, or you're allowed to bring food into this room, but you're not allowed to bring both. So then that's an exclusive disjunction. So in IB we often say but not both by the end of a sentence when we're talking about exclusive disjunction. So let's look at the statement of P. It is at least 35 degrees Celsius today, and Q, it is a Tuesday. Then what does P and Q what does this mean? It means that it is at least 35 degrees Celsius today, or it is a Tuesday, but it's not both of them. So what does that look like in a table, in a truth table? So if we're assuming that we have P and Q and then the exclusive disjunction. So let's first consider the scenario where P is true and Q is true. So it is at least 35 degrees Celsius today. So then that's true, and it is a Tuesday. So then this is true as well. Then according to exclusive disjunction, we can't have both. So when we're then looking at the exclusive disjunction of these, well, at the moment it's both of them. So then this exclusive disjunction is false. Okay, let's then look at the scenario where it is at least 35 degrees Celsius today, but it is not a Tuesday, so not a Tuesday. Well, in that case, it's not both, it's just one of them that is true. So therefore, the exclusive disjunction must be true as well. If we're then looking at the case where it is less than 35 degrees Celsius today, but it is actually a Tuesday, so it's not at least 35 degrees Celsius, but it is a Tuesday, so this is true. Then again, it's not both of them that are true, but at least one of them. So then this must be true as well. The exclusive disjunction must be true. If we're then looking at the scenario where it's not at least 35 degrees Celsius today, so it's less than 35 degrees Celsius today, and it is not a Tuesday, so both of these P and Q statements are false. Then, well, the thing is, we talked about the exclusive disjunction being it is at least 35 degrees Celsius today, or it is a Tuesday, but not both. So if both of them are false, then it's not at least 35 degrees Celsius or a Tuesday. So then, or both for that matter. So therefore, this must be false as well. The exclusive disjunction must be false. Okay, so what does this look like in a Venn diagram then? So we then draw the P and the Q. And then, okay, so when do we have exclusive disjunction? Well, we do not have it in where they both occur, because that is the inclusive disjunction, and the exclusive disjunction by definition is where we do not have both. So we can have P, but whenever it's not Q. And then we can have Q as long as it's not P. That is true. So this is how we would visualize the exclusive disjunction of P and Q in a Venn diagram.